Yes, dear student friends, class 6th English poem Sympathy question and answers we will have to discuss in this video. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಸಿಂಪತಿ ಈ ಪದ್ಯದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Let's understand. C1. Discuss the following questions in small groups and present your answer to the class. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಗುಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Question number 1. How did the proud man react to the poet's sorrow? ಒಬ್ಬ ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಈ ಪದ್ಯದ ಕವಿಯವರ ದುಃಖಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ? The proud man looked at the poet's cloudly, that is, without any emotions. He did not even afterwards of sympathy, but give the poet gold, means money. Question number 2. What do you mean by his looks were cold? What do you mean by his looks were cold? His looks were old tenses. Broadband did not sympathize with the poet. Question number 3. In spite of having gold, the poor man was not happy. Why? In spite of having gold, the poor man was not happy because nobody spoke to him with kind words. ಯಾರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರುಣೆಯ ಶಬ್ದಗಳಿಂದ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Question number 4. The poet paid back the proud man. What does this tell you about the poet's character? Answer for this question. His looks were old tenses. Broadband did not sympathize with the poet. Question number 5. State any two ways by which the poor man expression is sympathy. First one. A. The poor man bound the poet had he give him bread. The poor man cared for the poet day and night and nursed him back to health. Two ways by which the poor man expression is sympathy. ಒಬ್ಬ ಬಡ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಈ ಕವಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಪುವರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದ್ದವ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬ್ರೆಡನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ, ತಿನ್ನಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ರೆಡನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ. ಆನಂತರ ಎರಡನೇದಾಗಿ ಪುವರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ ಈ ಕವಿಯವರನ್ನು ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನದೇ ಅವರ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ಮರಳಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಇವು ಎರಡೂ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬಡ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಕವಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದು. Question number 6. What according to the poet is greater than gold? Heavenly sympathy is greater than gold. ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹಣ ಮತ್ತು ಚಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ದೊಡ್ಡದಂಥೇಳಿ ಈ ಕವಿತೆಯಿಂದ ತಿಳಿದು ಬರ್ತದೆ. Question number 7. Explain the last two lines of the poem. ಈ ಪದ್ಯದ ಕೊನೆಯ ಎರಡು ಸಾಲುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿವರಣೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೇಸಿಯಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಬಂಗಾರದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದವು ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠನಾದವು, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸಿಂಪತಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರೇಸಿಯಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಯಾವುದಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಂಗಾರಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಂತ ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ acquired. This was an important quality in the poet, so it is called as a heavenly sympathy. Question number 8. In not more than 50 words, describe a situation when someone was kind to you. 50 ಶಬ್ದಗಳಿಗೆ ಮೀರದಂತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿದರೆ ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭವನ್ನು ವಿವರಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It was a rainy day. Due to clumsy weather, the school was left off. Started homework the bus stand in an auto rickshaw and had to walk home. The road that led me home was muddy road. The clay on the road was very slippery because of the rain. My walking was my walking stopped when I was in the entrance of the road. There was no one was there on the road. I was waiting in the diesel for more than an hour for somebody to came and help me across that clay road. There appeared a man in two-wheeler who was kind of up to inquire me and dropped me at home within 15 minutes. C2. Given below is a summary of the poem. Complete it by writing the missing word or words. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪದ್ಯದ ಸಮರಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿರುವಂಥ ಶಬ್ದಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಪದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ಅ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ heard my grief. He gave me some money but did not say even a single word of kindness. When my sorrow was over, I went to him, gave back his money, thanked him. After some time, I was again in trouble. A poor man passed by me. He bandaged my head. He gave me bread and looked after me day and night. I feel I won't be able to repay him because sympathy is more precious than gold. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್, ಹರ್ಡ್, ಕೈಂಡ್ನೆಸ್, ಗೇವ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್, ಪಾಸ್ಡ್, ಲುಕ್ಡ್, ಸಿಂಪತಿ. Let's practice words. P1. Find the odd word out in each set. First one, sorrow, grief, distress, worry, fright. Fright, this word, it is the odd word from this sentence. All these words. Second one, hot, cold, warm, boiling. Boiling, it is the odd word. Rich, poor, wealthy, well to do, well up, poor. Look at the words given below. The same word has different meanings in different situations. Find the difference in meaning with the help of a example given below. Pair up with your friends to work on more words. Ravi passed in the examination. Ankita passed closed by me but did not recognize me. Ovia passed the ball to Sharon. The old man passed away yesterday. Similarly, differentiate the meaning of the words below with suitable example. First one, lie, mouse, bank, sweet, note, lift, light. First one, a lie. Lie means ಸುಳ್ಳು. ಇದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದೊಡನೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈ ಇನ್ ದ ಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೂ ಲಾಂಗ್. ಸೂರ್ಯನಿಂದ ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಕಾಲ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಮಲ್ಟಿಮೀಡಿಯಾ. ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಮಲ್ಟಿಮೀಡಿಯಾ. ದ ಟೌನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ wooded valley. Second one, mouse. There is a mouse in our kitchen. I have no mouse to operate many computers. See bank. I have to go to the bank after lunch. Ravi pushed the boat away from the bank. Did you bank that check? D. Sweet. Eating sweet is bad for your teeth. Don't cry, my sweet. Note. I made a note of his address and phone number. There was a note on my table. She had a good voice but has trouble hitting the high notes. Lift. I lifted down my suitcase and opened it. The lifted both hands on the gesture of despair. Do you want a lift into town? Light. The light is not enough to take photograph. The candle flavor and set light to the haystack. In light of the tragic news, the celebration is cancelled. V3. Sit with your friend and write out words related to. Sympathy related words. Tears, sorry, support, feeling, agree, approval. All these words are related to the sympathy. First one is tears, sorry, support, feeling, agree and approval. Movement. Movement related words are running, dancing, driving, skipping, shaking, jogging. Let's write. The following words are spelled wrongly. Can you write the correct spellings? Use a dictionary. First one is GRAT. GRAAT. ಇದು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ GREAT. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. SINGEL ಇದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಗ SINGLE. CHERITY ಚೆರಿಟಿ ಇದು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ CHARITY ಚಾರಿಟಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ALLTHOUGH ಆಲ್ ದು ಇದು ALTHOUGH ಆಲ್ ದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಆನಂತರ GREIF ಇದು GRIEF ಗ್ರೀಪ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. HEARED ಹಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಇದು ಹರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು HEARD. ಟು ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ TOGATHER TOGETHER ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆನಂತರ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ DISTRESS. BLESED BLESSED. SYMPTHY SYMPATHY. SHIWER SHIVER. HEAVENLY heavenly. PROAD PROUD proud. SORROW SORROW sorrow. WACHED WATCHED watched. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.